No part of this video has been made using generative AI. Right, in this video we're going to be looking at a command so powerful that Apple used it to see if their MacBooks would explode. Well, shut down. So yes, the first part of that wasn't just hyperbole. In 2006, Apple used it to test whether or not a user's MacBook is affected by the intermittent shutdown syndrome, where a MacBook would randomly shut off without any user input. By running the yes command twice via the terminal, users were able to max out the CPU and see if the failure was heat-related. So yes, it was used by Apple. But anyway, using the command on its own, you will just get an endless scrolling of it Y. So if you just put yes, nothing else, that's all you'll get. And you have to press Ctrl-C to break out of that loop. You can use it with either a string or other commands to output stuff on the screen. So say, for instance, I type in yes and then space. You don't have to put the speech marks or quotation marks. I do it. I put FreeBSD is the best operating system, which it is. We all know that's true. And press enter. It will endlessly scroll that little sentence. So it's a bit like the print command in BASIC. BASIC is all I've ever gone up to. I don't know beyond BASIC. So yeah. If, say, for instance, we make a directory, I'm going to call this one yes, and then we change into that directory, I'm going to show you a little thing that the yes command can also do. So if we create a file using touch test file, funny enough, and it doesn't have to contain anything on this occasion. It's just an empty text file. We're going to remove it using the -I, which is an interactive one, so you can press yes or no. So we're going to remove it. So by default, it will say remove the test file. You can either press yes or no. So there is user input needed. So we list it, it's gone. So we create it again, and we're going to do the, if I can find it in the scroll thing, that's it. I'm going to type in yes, and then we're going to pipe it into the RMI command, or RM-I, and it says remove test file, and it should have done it automatically without press Y, and there it is, it's gone. So you can use it as a shortcut to automatically press yes, but surprisingly you can also do no as well, which we'll have a look in a little bit because it gets a bit confusing. So if, say, for instance, we've got package update, and if you want to, it's the same kind of thing. This has been superseded by the option to put -Y in this, but it shows you the point. Say, for instance, I want to upgrade YouTube DLP or YT DLP. And give you the option to yes or no. So you can upgrade by user input. We're going to press no. But if we again, you know the answer to this. If we put yes and then pipe it in, it will automatically do it without user input. Yeah. I mean, this command is quite old. It goes back to, I think, Unix 7, I think, or something like that. I can't remember. But like I say, it's being superseded now by a lot of options that will give you the -Y command to do it automatically, like you get in PKG now. So I don't know what use this command is. I just discovered it the other day, and I thought it was pretty cool. So yeah, so as I look at the man page, it's it's very compact, very small. Yes, expletive. I like that. Yeah, you don't have to put a swear word after it though. So let's have a look at. We go back. Yeah. So there's nothing in this file, nothing in this directory. I mean, we're going to create another file, and ls. Oh, good grief! Back buffer is getting on my nerves. If we put just after yes, so if we leave it as it is, it'll automatically delete it. If we put confusingly n, or you could put no, it makes a difference. So yes, no, and pipe that in. Remove test file. No, it didn't delete it. So if you put yes, no to mean no, very strange. Like I say, you could just type out the word no. So then yes, no. Yeah, okay, that's kind of weird, but you get the gist of it. I don't know why you would use this, how you would use this, but it's there. You can do other things with it, like put yes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and pipe that into a, using head, into a file. And it should fill up, if you use number 1000, it should fill up the test file with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1,000 times. So I'll pipe that into and create the big file. So ls, yep, there it is. There's a big file. And if we cat the big file, I love my choice of naming scheme. There it is. Trust me, it goes down for 1,000 lines. Yeah. Again, I can't see a use for it, but maybe, you know, I'm not a developer or programmer. Maybe there is a thing that you could use it for. Okay, then. Well, this was a strange one. I came across it the other day. I thought it was pretty cool. I thought I'll make a video on it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Oh, by the way, if you like this video, please leave a like. If you like more than one of my videos, then please consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, then please hit the notification bell so you don't miss out when a new video is released. This channel isn't monetized. I don't make any money off of my videos. So the best way to support me on this channel is to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.